Task 23, match, assemble, and package. And this one you have a container that has both bolts and washers and these wing nuts. Pictures are affixed to the underside of the lid. You have finished bags, and then you have a finished area where the completed the bag material goes. In this case, you set up top to bottom. You have the bolt, the washer, the wing nut. So it's first it's a match. And then by demonstration, you show the student to place the washer on the bolt, and then again top to bottom, and then the wing nut. And they can screw it in as far as, they may need to screw it in all the way, or not. But once it's together, assembled, take a bag, that gets opened, put in, and then it goes in the finished area. So it's a complete activity from assembly to having a place where the finished product goes. A very good pre-vocational activity. And it, on a small scale, it simulates a lot of what gets done in a bigger setting when this young person grows up and is working possibly in a setting where this type of activity is required. So task 23, match, assemble, packaging.